Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I thought I'd give you an update on my Nintendo Switch Lite. It's been sold. And I've ordered my new Nintendo Switch. So I'm really excited to do the unboxing with you when I've got it. It is brand new, so you'll get to see like all the stuff that's in it and everything. I've already ordered a game, which is going to be Jumanji, the video game, which won't be here yet, obviously, because I won't be able to play it on anything because the Nintendo's not here yet. It should be here on either Monday or Saturday, just because they're going to text me and let me know when it will arrive. So yes, I'm very excited. Today I'm going to my mum's to see how she is and have a catch up and everything. So yeah, I thought I'd give you that update. Please subscribe and comment down below, and I'll let you know how I get on with the Nintendo Switch. Bye! Hi everybody, I'm just going to my mum's now. We've got another unboxing on the way, so let's get into the video. Hi everybody, this is the unboxing. I'm going to have to pause this quickly so I can open it because I don't want you to see my address. So hang on a minute. Right, I'm back. So I've ordered... Let me get you one out, hang on. So I've ordered, because you all know that I'm getting a new Nintendo Switch and I wanted to design it. So, hang on a minute. Sorry about this, guys. It's very tricky to get. Here we go. So, I bought these, which are, focus. These are what you put on the, I don't know what you call them, the button things, the joy stick. So this goes on the button and it feels really soft, and I got that one, and I got some blue one, pink and blue, so it's all ready when I get my Nintendo Switch. Whoop-de-doo. Thank you for watching my unboxing. I know it was very quick, and the next unboxing will be something bigger. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and comment down below. Thank you. Bye. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me again. I thought I'd show you I've got a new hand cream and it smells so lovely. It's called Love Hearts hand cleansing gel. I got this from Tesco's. It smells really, really, really nice. It smells of hearts. And if you just hang on a minute, I'll show you what else I got, because you couldn't really see what I got. So just hang there 1 sec. Hi, I'm back. I've brought it in. Let me just pause it again so I can show you what they look like. Right, basically these go on your Nintendo, so like your joystick, like where you move it up and down and all that, they go on there. I have already chosen the two what I'm having on mine. It's 2 decisions. So if you want to help me, just comment down below what ones you think I should put on there. These are the ones I quite like. They're like little paw prints, which I think are really cute. Ignore the dust. They're really cute. Or another one, which is the blue paw print with the white background. so I'm really not sure what one to put on. So, you know, if you want to help me decide, just comment down below what one you think I should use. I'll take a brisk one round so you can choose. I'm not overly keen on these ones, but these two, as I said, it's a decision between these two, them two, or these two. So that one or that one. Let me know down in the comments below what one you think I should choose. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, which will most probably be Saturday, because I think my Nintendo Switch is coming. So yeah, so then that one or that one. As I said, please subscribe and comment down below what one you think I should put on my Nintendo. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next channel. Bye!